Guys, it's Emma the Creative Gem back with another video, and today, my lovely M Gems, I am doing another My First Wig headband wig review. This is my second headband wig purchase, and I'm going to show you the unboxing of the wig, my initial reaction, and why it's worth the hype. Also going to show you some footage from Selfie World of where I filmed parts of this video, and I have a very special message from a rose gold fragrance company. Make sure you subscribe and follow all my social medias to see when new content comes out. Alright ladies, let's start this video off with an unboxing of the wig. Here's the magenta color box it came in, and just an FYI, I actually wore this wig in a Week of My Life video, and if you haven't seen it, make sure you check it out. The link is in the bio, but it looked absolutely gorgeous with my dress from Express, and I got so many compliments on it, it honestly looked like my real hair. Catfishing a little bit, am I? Okay, so here's what's in the box. This is a headband wig stand that comes with every wig purchase, so you don't just plop your wig anywhere and get it messed up. Because I have a habit of doing that too, ladies, so this definitely came in handy. Alright, so inside the box is the wig and also this kit. This is a free styling kit that comes with every My First Wig purchase, and inside the kit is this carbon fiber pintail parting comb. I like this comb a lot better than the other one they gave me because the other one was just like a basic comb and definitely could melt if I was straightening my hair, so this is a nice added bonus. In addition to these clips, which come in handy to put the hair up so the headband part can be secured, and also for straightening my hair and putting it into sections. I'm such a dork. Alright guys, so here is the wig, but before I get into it, I'm sorry, we gotta take a look at this wig cap. Look y'all, look at this, look at the way they advertise this right here. Look at the way they did the packaging. Is this not disturbing? I don't know what the photographer was thinking, y'all, but let's move on. The details of the wig will be listed in the bio, but I purchased this wig during their Black Friday sale, so it was $146.50, and this is the amber one, 16 inches, silky texture. Before I put on my wig, it's essential to wear the wig cap. Now, the wig cap's purpose is to make sure everything is smooth and you don't have any bumps or anything underneath the wig cap. However, I'm quite aware that my hairstyle will make my wig stick up. I'm just showing you guys initially my try-on, and look at this wig cap thing, guys. I had to go back to it. Sorry. So I just want you guys to see what it looks like initially. So to put on the wig cap, there's 2 combs in the front, 2 combs on the side, and then also 1 comb in the back. First, I start with a comb in the front, and I make sure my wig cap is pushed back enough so you can see my natural hair and edges, and then I apply the comb on the left and then on the right and kind of push it upward, and then finally I do the comb in the back and kind of tuck that underneath my wig cap. Then I take a hair tie and pull it up in an upward ponytail, and then you see these 2 straps. There's one on the left, one on the right, and I basically use the Velcro to attach it in the back, and there we go. Now my headband wig is secure.
Ryan Little.
I want to reiterate once again that this is not the final look. I'm quite aware the wig looks high up, it doesn't look even, it doesn't look smooth. I'm just showing you guys the length, I'm just showing you guys the cut, the unboxing, and basically what the wig looks like initially. The reason it was filmed this way is because this was wash day and I had to film it real quick before I washed my hair and slicked it down because, guys, this was recorded like at 1 a.m. and I was rushing. Alright, so to take the wig off, I simply pull the Velcro, unhook the combs from my scalp, and it's off. And remember, ladies, do not plop it down anywhere. Use the headband wig stand. Here's the final look in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Sexy mama. Guys, this wig is everything. It is the right length. I didn't want anything too long, nothing too short. This is the perfect length for me. I can wear it with a dress. I can wear it with a shirt. It's just pow. I highly recommend this headband wig. It is great for beginners or if you just simply don't feel like doing your hair. If you guys enjoyed the intro to my video, you might want to take a trip to Selfie World. So Selfie World is the #1 selfie museum in the world. It's for taking Instagram photos, Facebook photos. You can go on dates. You can have birthday parties here. And you're going to have so much fun. And they provide the selfie ring light for you. So you can take it from room to room. No room is the same, and some of them even have props for you to interact with. Rose Gold Fragrance Company and I attended a private event, so that's why you don't see anybody there. But it was great because we had the whole place to ourselves, and we were able to take some really good photos. I highly recommend Selfie World, guys. It is so much fun. You can take really cool pictures, and it's quality. A big shout out to Selfie World. Hello, my lovely M gems. The month of love is quickly approaching, and what better way to celebrate than to smell good and feel good with a fragrance from Rose Gold Fragrance Company. Rose Gold Fragrance is your #1 perfume designer and online fragrance store, and me personally, I love the Tasty Peach, I love First Kiss, I love First Love. They're all beautiful, beautiful scents. They come in sprays, they come in the roller balls, and ladies, trust me, you're not going to be disappointed.